Yeah, my name is Jem. I want to give us a brief lecture on the first topic of your FBA 310. And that topic goes by the title A Review of Some Discrete Probability Distribution. Now, under this topic, you are going to learn three basic things: Balodi distribution, binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. By the time you must have learned all these things fully, you have no problem with that particular topic. Now, let's start with Balloon distribution. You can write a Balloon distribution is a discrete probability distribution that has only two outcomes. I come again, a Baloney distribution. It is spelled Beroulley. Baloney distribution is a discrete probability distribution that has only two outcomes. An example is when you toss a coin. That's one example. An example also is the result of an election. An example is the sex of a child. All these things, they have two outcomes. When you toss a coin, you can either have a head or a tail. When you write an examination or you contest for an election, you either win or lose in case of election, and you pass or fail in case of examination. Another example I gave was sex of a child. You have just male and female. So any probability whose outcome has two is what we call what? Baloney distribution. Now, before I continue, I need to give us some characteristics of Baloney distribution. These are the characteristics. Follow me. This is now called characteristics of what? Baloney distribution. Please make sure you page it and know it very well. I said number one, it is written in shorthand as X, then this symbol, BER in bracket P, or X, this symbol, BE, and we have P inside. Now I said, note, this symbol means distributed as. So I will now say X distributed as. When you see BER or BE, we are referring to what? Baloney. Are you with me? Then number two, the mean of Baloney is given by what? EX, and the answer for that is P. So then when you ask to find the mean of a Baloney distribution, the mean, or they wrote the symbol EX, if you are giving the symbol down, it means whatever you see here is your answer. Then now, your variance is given by VAR into X, and that one is PQ. And your standard deviation, which given by this symbol, equals to square root of PQ. And probability of success under Baloney is normally P. And that one is represented by what? P into 1. So P into 1 means probability of success. Then probability of failure is Q. And is what? Driven by what? P into what? 0. So there's something you should note about probability generally. That our P plus Q is always equals to 1. Please note. And therefore, if P plus Q equals to 1, automatically Q will be always 1 minus P. Don't forget these facts. It's very, very vital to your health statistically.